This training video covers MAXAIR belt-mounted batteries. Key battery components include a connector for the helmet-to-battery power cord, a secure lock button, a belt clip with detent. Key belt components include a male connector, a female connector, a holder to hold 2 layers of belt together. User instructions are effectively the same for all. Reference the individual battery and belt user instructions, available at MAXAIR-Systems.com for individual details and specifications. Before use, adjust the belt as necessary to ensure a snug and secure fit around the waist. To lengthen the fit, push a length of the free end of the belt through the male belt connector and pull it taut by pulling the female connector away from the male connector. To shorten the fit, push a length of the belt connected to the female connector through the male connector and pull it taut by pulling the loose end of the belt away from the male connector. For use, a fully charged battery should be assembled to a MAXAIR battery belt. Assemble the battery to a double layer of belt near the male belt connector. Slide the belt under the battery clip detent. Ensure the belt is fully inserted into the clip, such that the clip detent rests against the clip and not on the belt. Use the holder to hold the loose end of the belt together with the belt between the connectors. Slide the loose end of the belt into the single-sided clip on the holder. Position the holder to keep the belt from getting in the way of any objects during any activities. Don the properly adjusted belt around the waist, securing it by inserting the male connector into the female connector. Typically, the battery is moved along the belt to a position just to the rear of the right hip. Prior to donning a helmet with a face or head cover assembled, or prior to assembling a face or head cover to a donned helmet, connect the helmet to battery power cord to the battery to turn on the helmet blower to initiate airflow. Insert the power cord straight connector into the battery connector. When the connector is fully and properly inserted, the battery secure lock connector will securely lock on to the connector with an audible click. The power cord is typically over the right shoulder and down the back to the battery. With the helmet powered on, set the helmet airflow switch to the desired low, medium, or high position to achieve the optimum comfort condition for the anticipated activity. Prior to disconnecting the battery from connection to the helmet, ensure that either the helmet is doffed or the face or head cover is removed. Disconnect the power cord from the battery by first pressing down fully on the battery secure lock button. This will release the battery lock on the cord connector. Then pull the power cord connector straight out of the battery connector. The battery may be placed on charge and subsequently placed in storage while remaining on the belt, or it may be removed from the belt before charging in storage. To remove the battery from the belt, first lift up on the battery clip detent, then pull the belt out from under the battery clip. Prior to charging a battery, refer to the chargers and charging training video and appropriate user instructions on MAXAIR-Systems.com. To connect a battery to a properly powered on MAXAIR charger, fully insert the charger charging connector into the battery connector. To disconnect a battery from a MAXAIR charger, pull the charging connector fully out of and away from the charger. The battery secure lock button is not applicable to the charging function. This concludes the MAXAIR batteries and belts user training video. This training video covers MAXAIR chargers and battery charging. Key charger components include a MAXAIR lithium-ion battery charger, the charger power cord and connector, the charger charging cord and connector, the charger LED indicator light. MAXAIR chargers are either single, as exemplified by the 2600-02 in this video, or in a 6-gang configuration, as exemplified by the 2602-06B in this video. The procedures for powering on the chargers and connecting and disconnecting batteries follow effectively the same protocol. Prior to connecting a MAXAIR battery, a MAXAIR charger should always be powered on. Connect the charger power cord connector to a suitable and properly powered on surge protector. Refer to your biomedical engineering department for the appropriate surge protector for your situation and facility. Connect the charger to the battery by fully inserting the charger connector into the battery connector, located under the secure lock button. The secure lock button is not functional for connecting and disconnecting to a charger. Disconnect the battery from the charger promptly when charging is complete, as indicated by the green status of the charger LED light. When charging is complete, pull the charger cord connector fully straight out and away from the battery connector. This concludes the MAXAIR chargers and charging user training video.